All right, guys. Let's talk about Tesla. Let's see what's going on here. I was eyeing this one. Thank goodness I was in another stock that is of Elon Musk. But I'm going to talk about Tesla. Look at exactly what I look to do with it. See where I want to trade it. So let's go into the charts here. So Tesla, we're going to look at some important levels here, support, resistance, and all that. But if you look at my system, I have a very unique strategy that probably no one ever, uses when you combine these three indicators. I love Keltner channels because it tells me what are the danger zones. When price comes up into these settings, and if you have my settings, you know these are very good settings to look where overextensions are. So, you know, Tesla going above this upper counter channel on a weekly chart is insane, and it's probably going to get shorted. Doesn't mean it has to. It's just not something I would like to buy there. There is a lot of areas you like to buy. My most favorite area that I like to buy in is the EMA 50. It gives me the most confidence. It gives me the best discount because when price comes way up here, we never buy the tops. Because the EMA 50 is at the very lowest of all of my EMAs, and we can clearly see it's in an uptrend. We have made the biggest moves by following this EMA 50. Let me show you. For example, when we started seeing a switch in the trends, we saw the EMA 20 cross the 50, and then you see right here, your entry points are all in here. This is your EMA 50. From here, we went from $200 and we went to a high of over 488, making massive returns of over what 100%, 130% gains. I think we are due. I think we can get another nice big bounce here on the EMA 50. I kind of did not expect to just go right through this 20, but that's part of trading. It can do that. It does not say, hey, we have to bounce right here on the 20. We saw it bounce here on the 10. That was a nice crucial level here, and you made some nice money, 16% right off the bat here, and it kept doing it and doing it. So it's definitely due for this 20. And it looks like the markets, might want to get closer to this 50. So there's a couple ways I can play this. I'm gonna wait, and because if you guys are in the Discord, you guys know I am in another big cap stock of Elon. So I mean, if you watch my swing trade alerts right up in here, you will know that it's all posted in here. So I'm watching something here. So I do like Tesla coming up here. If it does come to this EMA 50, I am going to put some big size in here, okay? I can clearly see like there is, right in here was good support. You can see right here, we try to break it out, and we broke out of this big support. Now is resistance, right? So it was resistance, and now it's coming back to support. So it could be a nice bounce area effect here. The safest area is to buy here at the EMA 50. If you bought it here on the EMA 20, you watch my videos, it's not the end of the world, okay? I know it's kind of sucks to be down on a stock. You're down, it went down quite a bit. So there's a lot of options you can do. If you guys watch my cover call video, definitely watch it. This is really good with big cap stocks. And you can find that right here, how to sell covered calls. I love that strategy. It really just gets your average lower and lower because let's say you sell let's say you have shares of Tesla, right? Obviously, it's a bigger cap stock, so it's going to cost you a lot of money. But let's say you have shares of Tesla, and let's just say you bought it right here on the EMA 20. So let's say you bought it at 350. So I can go 17 days out, and let's go to single option, and I can be like, you know what? Let's see if I can get some premium on that 350, and I can. I can go right at 350. Let's just say I want to sell it right at my average. And if I have 100 shares, let's just say I bought 100 shares, I can sell one of those covered calls right here at the 8.20 at the mid, or 8.25 will do. And you can see I will collect $800. Literally right off the bat, I get $800. And not only do I collect that premium, that decreases my average from $8.25. So now your new average instead of 350 is now 342, okay? 341.75 want to be exact. And so you can see how you just dramatically lowered your average from this price now all the way down to here. And you can keep doing that. And that was only 17 days out. And you can keep doing it and doing it. And that is the power of bigger cap stocks. Not a lot of people know this. Not a lot of people be like, oh, I have to hold it till Tesla goes up. That is not true. Bigger cap stocks are amazing because of this reason alone. I did that with S. I am making bank selling covered calls on this due to the fact that, as you can see, S has just been kind of consolidating all throughout here, sold covered calls, and it's just been going up slowly. I keep selling and selling it to make more and more money. And that's what you guys can do with Tesla. I'm not in Tesla. I'm going to learn it when I get in, and this is a stock that I'm looking to make a lot of money on, okay? So EMA 50 is my big thing I'm watching. If price comes anywhere near that, I'm going to start accumulating shares, okay? It's not much lower more. If we get about a 10% move down, we probably can get that. But keep in mind, Tesla has had a monster move up. We went from 140s all the way to 488. This has been known to do gigantic swings ups and down. We went from 414 way back here in 2021, and we went all the way down to $100 in 2023. I mean, this thing can do master moves up. We are on this phase right here. You see this? Right in here, look at all these big bounces we've done on the EMA 50 here. We got up here, come back to the EMA 50, got from $27, and it just kept running and running. That was generational wealth right there. And then guess what? Market comes back to the EMA 50, and we go from 182 all the way to $400. And then we go back, and we go from 273, come back up a little to 300s, come back here, come back up, and you come back here, come back. But you got to understand, uptrends can't last forever, guys. Eventually, what happens is they eventually go to downtrends, and it slowly goes down. I believe this is this is just the beginning of an uptrend. We just started this EMA 50. This was a downtrend here. As you can see, it was up above, and then we just started this recent uptrend. So the big thing is once I buy it on this EMA 50, I'm going to make sure I don't lose on it. So I'm going to make sure once I'm up over 5%, I'm going to trail and stop it, or put my profits, take some off, and then put my stop loss at break even, so I cannot lose on it. But this is a gold mine of a trade here, guys. I know a lot of people are freaking out. It's really not that much to freak out. I personally do not like buying options because of this reason. Options are really hard. You're fighting theta, you're fighting time, the time decay, you got to get the right strike, you got, the expiration, is it too far out? There's a lot of stress in it. I show you guys lots of ways, if you watch my videos, how to sell covered calls, how to do how to get your average. If you're buying a stock like this, you need at least 100 shares. If you cannot buy 100 shares of Tesla, try the TSLL. Obviously, this is not accurate because Tesla is not at the 50. But you can see, this could be a nice bounce effect. But same thing. If you have, you can do TSLL, and you can see they have an option chain where you can go and be like, oh, I want to sell covered calls here. It's the same thing. This is only $17 compared to buying Tesla that is way up at 328. So it's up to you. There's two different choices. TSLL is really nice if you have a smaller account. If you have enough to buy 100 shares of Tesla, then you can do this one. So it just really depends on what you would like to do. But this is how I would do my Tesla, okay? I think this is a very safe strategy. Everyone's freaking out. Guys, do not freak out. If you are a little under your average, and if you did it the smart way, and you did it conservative, how I always teach, I am not a buyer. I do not like buying options. There's a reason why I tell everyone in my day trading section, if you're a part of my membership, I sell options because I know buying options is a losing game. You might win a lot, but then again, it's going to bite you in the butt, and it's going to do something like this, and you might be like, oh, there's massive support right here. This is probably going to hold, and I'm going to buy at the 20, and it goes down, and you can keep saying there's a bull thesis here, as right here we have a support level, right here we have a support level, and then what if it breaks that? I don't want to deal with all that stress. I told you guys how I would do it, and this is a great way to do it, and how I've been in the market for quite some time. All my consistent wins are doing these safe strategies, okay? If you guys want to join the premium Discord, this is a chance to do it. Click the link down below in YouTube comments below, and the description will say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And if you want to get everything that I have, all the knowledge, I showed you guys all the education. I have education, swing trading education, day trading education. Favorite strategy is my day trades. I love 0TT, credit spreads. I make money every day doing this very simple strategy. I have clear risk reward. I have a clear stop loss and everything. And I have improvised it. I've been working my butt off to make, finally get it out there. I think you guys are going to love it. It's the safest way to do options, and I'm more of a seller, so I think you guys are going to love it. If you guys are just tired of getting wrecked in the market and tired of gambling, come to over this side. I promise you, you guys are going to have a more of a consistent strategy, a more of a consistent profits coming in. If you guys want to join the Discord, click the link down below in YouTube comments below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. If you want to become a member, all you have to do is go here and click Day Trade Alerts. When you click Day Trade Alerts, it will ask you to subscribe for the whole membership for my whole things, day trades and swing trades. And get this, for this promotional video in February, I'm going to give you guys it all for 12 bucks a month. All right. It will never go up in price. You'll be grandfathered in for a lifetime discount as long as you keep your membership. I am thinking about increasing this because I have been, we've been doing really good. We're getting a lot of more members. A lot more people are loving it. And I really like it. I think this right here is at the peak of it's going to be. This strategy can work in any market, whether bull or bear. Like I said, doesn't matter. My day trading is my most favorite strategy. As you can see, we took bull puts here. We made another win. All in February. Actually, I have not lost a single day trade. And there's going to be times I lose, but I have definitely made it to be more stable. But, you know, not every trading system. I'm not going to tell you guys we're going to win 100%. There's no system out there that exists like that. There's millions of strategies. Some are better than the others. I think this one works for me. It fits my personality. If you're watching this video and you like trading with the trend, this is the best way how to trade with the trend. EMA 50, I showed you guys plenty of examples of why this is the best area to buy. There's nothing wrong with buying it on the EMA 20. Do a cover call 17 days out, collect that premium, keep lowering your average, buy some more on this EMA 50. That's how I would do it. I'm in one of Elon's other companies. I think it's going to go really well. Same strategy here, but this is going to look pretty good, guys. So let's see what happens. And like I said, if you do just subscribe, do it on your computer too to avoid the iOS fee. And if you're from another country, it might charge you a little currency exchange rate, but it shouldn't be much more than 12 bucks. 12 bucks is a steal, guys. Cancel anytime, no problem. But I promise you, you guys are going to learn a lot, and I'm going to work my butt off to make sure you're profitable. I can't guarantee you're going to be profitable, but I'm going to make sure you are. So if you need anything, message me. I'll be in this free chat, but also avoid scammers, okay? There is going to be people that are going to impersonate me. I will never DM you first, trade your accounts, or tell you to send money to a broker, okay? Those are scammers, all right? We're growing fast. I think a lot of people are going to love this service, and I want you guys to be profitable. All right. The goal is to quit your 9-to-5 job, be a full-time trader, travel the world with your family, and this is what I'm doing with these two simple strategies. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys in the video. Tesla is my #1 priority for bigger cap stocks. I'm in another one, and I'm telling you guys exactly how to do it. I'll keep you guys updated. Give this video a like, subscribe, share it to your friends, and let's make some bank on Tesla. Peace out.